Dada,
Mm-hmm.
how astrology affects our life in day-to-day basis?
See, bhai, on a day-to-day basis,
Okay.
we are always and constantly under the influence of planets. There is not even a single day where you can come out of the influence of planet. Because when you're breathing, when you're intaking air inside your body, you are under the control of moon, the planet moon, because moon controls your breath.
Okay.
So it is totally impossible to come out of the influence of planets.
Right.
Why? Because sun is our soul, Atma, and as long as you're alive, you need the energy of the sun or the energy of the soul in your body, right? So, how we are influenced by planets on a day-to-day basis is that when we are born, right, we start a Mahadasha of a particular planet. So, at the time of our birth, wherever moon is placed in whichever nakshatra, the lord of that nakshatra runs the Mahadasha. So, for example, if you are born with moon in Gemini sign and your moon is in Ardra nakshatra, then Rahu is the lord of Ardra nakshatra. So, you are born in Rahu Mahadasha, right? Similarly, if you are born in Ashwini nakshatra, then Ashwini nakshatra, even though it is in Aries, but it is controlled by Ketu. So you are born in Ketu Mahadasha. Now, this Mahadasha system influences us in 5 layers.
Okay.
So there is something called Mahadasha, Antardasha, Pratyantar Dasha, Sukshma Dasha and Sthul Dasha. Right? Some people say it's Pran Antardasha, Deh Antardasha. So the technicality is huge. But the point is, every day we are under the influence of 5 planets in different permutation and combination. So, if you are running Saturn Mahadasha, then it might be that you are also running Saturn Antardasha. That is the second layer of the Mahadasha is running Saturn. The third layer is Venus, Pratyantar Dasha. The fourth layer might be Jupiter, and the fifth layer might be Sun. So, your day is an amalgamation of these 5 planets. So, depending on the position of Saturn, Jupiter, just a second, some bugger is trying to overtake me, rash driver, let him go. So, based on the position of planets in your horoscope, if planets are well placed, if Jupiter is in own sign or friendly sign or exalted, if Saturn is well placed, the influence of your day changes. Sometimes your day goes good, right, and sometimes your day goes really bad. There are times when things go against you and you wonder that मेरा दिन इतना बुरा क्यों जा रहा है? वो बुरा इसलिए जाता है क्योंकि whatever dasha you are running in the 5 layers, 1 or 2 planets must be badly placed in your horoscope, and on that day that planet would have come. So because of that, the entire day goes haywire. And the secret here is the planet coming in the 5th layer, the last layer, that is the planet which totally influences your day. So, for example, if your Ketu is debilitated, or your Ketu is in the 8th house, or the 6th house, or the 12th house, in a bad house, in Gemini, right? So, in your Mahadasha system, if Ketu is in the last layer, then your entire day will go bad, because the major influences of the 5th planet or the 5th layer of the planet. So this is how planets influence us on a day-to-day basis through the Mahadasha. Now, who is experiencing the Mahadasha? Your moon, your mind is experiencing the Mahadasha, because the Lagna or the Lord of the first house basically is what people are seeing you in the physical plane, but who is experiencing the entire day on a hourly basis? That's you, your mind, your moon, your emotions. So you're constantly fluctuating at your emotional levels. If somebody talks to you in a good way, in a friendly way, then your mood becomes good. If somebody insults you, you become angry, right? So the person experiencing the Mahadasha or the Antardasha, Pratyantar Dasha, or the fifth layer of the Dasha is your moon. So that is why the placement of moon becomes very important in your horoscope.
Okay.
So whenever you talk about Mahadasha, then the influence of moon becomes very important, right?